sandwich. Yes, that is a turkey breast. And this is the pastrami sandwich. Looking like a grilled cheese, top and bottom, because it's honey butter. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you have to start with some Smart Balance. Of course, that has the omega-3s. Then here in the frying pan, we have the Smart Balance. And then we have the whole wheat bread. Put a butter. Get a nice color to it. Heat it up. When you do it that way, and you're making a sandwich, the bread won't actually stick to the roof of your mouth underneath where your teeth is. Makes it a lot easier to eat your sandwich instead of it being soggy. You just add a little heat, a little butter for flavor, and then you get it going. Then you start incorporating other things after you get the bread started. And now it's time to actually assemble the sandwich. We already have the bread. It's golden brown color. We have the mayonnaise. Of course, the minced garlic. It's kale flakes. Some water if you get thirsty. Honey Dijon mustard. Onion powder. And then, of course, we have the cocoa. This one is a pastrami. And this one is an ultra thin honey roasted turkey breast. Very simple, nothing complex. So first thing you want to do is open them up. And you don't even have to add the mayonnaise if you don't want to, because they already have butter from when it was done. But if you wanted to add extra, if something you can, and you just put it on there. Let me just continue. You don't have to coat too much fat with it, because you always want to do just a little bit and not do a lot, because you don't want it to taste what type of way. You want it to be good and healthy. Just trying to get all of these in place here. So we can move on to the next item. This is the garlic. You could use regular garlic, or you could use garlic powder, all depending on what you're interested in. Gonna wipe this off. So now this is the garlic you want to be adding. You just put it in different areas to get that nice taste. Now, if you can't handle the rasta, then this might not be for you. And just put it on there. I like to incorporate so you can actually get a nice taste to it. Of course, we have the onion powder here. Put this on the top. Now the kale flakes. Put it on the side that has in the onion powder. I mean, you can always use fresh kale and then fold it up, and after you don't wash it, add it. But if you don't have time for that, kale flake is always good too. We have the honey Dijon mustard, my favorite part. Squeeze it out there. That's why I like these squeeze one versus the one that's in the glass. Yes. Easy in and out. And then you have too much going on. You just make sure you have a generous amount on there. I don't want it on one side. I'm trying to get it all over. And just go ahead. But it has a lot of different properties, because I know a lot of people don't do mustard. They mostly do mayonnaise or none at all, depending on the type of stuff they're making. Start with the turkey breast. Quick, easy stuff. And we just put it on there. For all this extra flavor, you don't even need cheese. You do cheese if you want to, because that's optional. But it's not a most must. This is great if it's in the morning and you want to get in and out and you don't have time to do other things. You just do this. It only takes about a few minutes. It takes a little longer if you have to get the bread nice and golden brown like that. So I'm done with this one, then I'm going to go to the one that's the pastrami. I have also the ultra thin, the Shire Farm pastrami. Not everyone does cold cuts, but cold cuts are quick and fast. It's not something I suggest you do every day, but you do it according to your time. Because if you have time to do it, then great. Later on, we're going to do some meal prep and get started as far as how to get that done, so you don't have to go through this process like every morning. Because remember, you want to get in and out. You don't want to be forever just waiting to see if it's going to come together. Yeah, I did pastrami in there. I like the cold cut ultra thin though. Nothing wrong with the regular ones, but I like how this one is. Yeah, even though I put a few slices of it, it's fine. Then we do a hand and we cover them. Quick and fast, right? Nothing too complex, nothing too outrageous. Something very simple. And as far as we have something new, we have the flexible 24 ring light. This is actually used for the phone for blogging, live videos, video chat, social media, live stream, health and beauty. I actually got this at Walmart at the Black Friday sale, which is really awesome. And then since I already have a tripod, that totally works.